there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
Samsung and Black Shark came up with devices that offered up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, and in 2020, a new benchmark may well be set. If recent leaks are anything to go by, Black Shark 3 could be the first smartphone to come up with 16 gigabytes of RAM, making it the most powerful smartphone till date. However, having 5G connectivity won't be the only future-proof feature. The handset will be the first smartphone to make use of 16 gigabytes RAM. Some may say this is unnecessary, but other power users will appreciate the extra memory. Reports by GSM Arena. Also, the prototype of the phone is being leaked by Leaks, which shows the Black Shark 3 will support 2K resolution with 120Hz display. This leaked information by the Chinese tipster also reveals some information about the pricing of the device. The tipster claims the phone won't come cheap since it is launching with 5G connectivity, something that may force Black Shark to launch a non-5G variant of the device at a later date. There is little information available right now about the other specs of the device. However, considering its predecessor, the Black Shark 2, was launched last year with a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus display, we can expect something with a higher resolution, and at least this size on the Black Shark 3. Under the hood, the Black Shark 3 should improve on the Black Shark 2 Pro, which came powered with Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. The battery is expected to be similar as last year, and max out at around 4000 mAh. However, Black Shark could add faster charging technology that may go higher than the 27-watt tech we saw last year.